Hi guys, this is Ivy. Welcome to my channel. This evening I'm coming to make coconut biscuits or poloo. We call it or poloo. Yeah, this is my coconut. I'm gonna blend it, then we start our poloo or coconut biscuits. Let's start. So guys, I finished blending it, so I'm straining it. Yeah. So guys, I'm adding my coconut. This is my meal flour. I'm using 2 cups of flour. Yeah, so this is my coconut. I'm adding it. We are doing coconut biscuits or poloo. So this is my sugar. I've added my sugar. Then I have to add a little salt. I've added my salt, but not too much. So guys, I'm adding my baking powder. It's my baking powder. So guys, I'm adding my nutmeg. So guys, I'm adding my margarine. I've melted. So guys, after washing my hands, I'm mixing it. So guys, I'm adding my coconut milk. Not all of it. So guys, I'm rolling my coconut biscuits. We are rolling it. We are coming to fry it. So we are cutting it. So guys, we are frying our poloo. So guys, we finished our coconut biscuits or poloo nicely. Thank you very much for watching my video. My name is Ivy. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much. Bye bye.